this is a great time for us just to kind of transition to our formula for the show.
All right.
And we like to ask every guest before they go the same questions. And so the first question we always ask is, has there been a miss or two maybe along the way in your career or personally, whatever, that you'd like to share and something you'd learned from it?
Well, I have what I would say are lots of misses and lots of hits, and I think that all of them are fantastic. I'm the type of person that would give people this advice. You can learn probably more from your mistakes than you can from your wins. So in sports world, from your losses, you will learn a lot from it. The wins are great. You will learn a lot from your losses. So don't consider them losses. Consider everything just learning moments. Um, Big misses I've had along the way, some steps. I don't even really register them that way, so I don't really have an answer for you. I just know that they're all learnings along the way. So embrace them. Don't deny the negative moments. So when it comes to the highs and lows, don't get too low for something. Don't get too high. Be more even keel and know that they're all learning moments on your journey. So good stuff there.
Yeah.